Hey there, this is Sam from GHL SaasKits, and in this video I am going to show you how you can create scrolling elements on our GoHighLevel page. Okay, so in this example you can see we have some horizontal scrolling text and images element, and these are scrolling horizontally from right to left and left to right. Okay, so let me show you how we can create this type of animation in our GoHighLevel page. Okay, so first of all we need to go to the GHL Code Snippets library. Okay, so if you are not logged in, you need to log in, and then find the code, okay, from the slider and carousel section, okay, and the categories, and then you will find it called infinite horizontal scrolling elements. Okay, these elements, just you can check the preview here, or you can also get code by clicking this button. And here we have the option to add text items as well as right scrolling images and left scrolling images. Okay, so let me put some text and images. Okay, so always just need to click this add item button for each of the elements type, and then you can add any number of items you need for each of those scrolling slider. Okay, so for text, let me take at least 6. Okay, and then I will put my text here one by one like this. Okay, so let me put it and then I will get back. Well, I just added all the text and now I'm going to add images. Okay, so for the same way we can put images. Let me take up to 6 images for each of them. Okay, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so now what we need to do, we need to put our image URL. Okay, so how you can do this, let me show you. First of all, I'm going to put this carousel into this page. Okay, so let me open this into the page editor. Okay, always just need to open your GoHighLevel page editor where you will put this slider. Okay, so let me open this. Well, once you are here, then all you just need to take a section and then take another column and the code element, and below this I'm going to add some images which I will use to get the link. Okay, so here into your GoHighLevel you can upload all the images you need. For example, I have uploaded all my images here and I will get the link, okay, one by one, and then I will put them inside the code snippets library. Okay, like this. Okay, so let me do this. Okay, so I added all my images links. Okay, from here just copying the link. Okay, and then now we need to adjust the value. Okay, so let me explain this. First of all, we have scrolling text visibility, then the image visibility for right scrolling and left scrolling. Okay, so in case you don't need the text, okay, for, let's say I want to create just the image slider. Okay, and we don't need to text element. Okay, then we need to set the scrolling text visibility none. Okay, so that's it. If you do this, then the text element will not work. Okay, so you can stop the text like this. Okay, so if you don't need that. Okay, so in case you also don't need to add any of the text. Okay, this is fine, but after that you need to also set the text visibility none. In the same way, the right scrolling image and the left scrolling image, if you don't need any of them, then you just need to set them none. Okay, so even though you don't need to add the image URL, okay, you need to set none. Okay, so but in my example I am just using all of the elements, so I will keep them the visibility block. Okay, and then we can also change the duration. Okay, like the scrolling duration for each of the elements, like for the text slider, for the right scrolling images, left scrolling images. Okay, so we can set our own value for the animation duration, and after that we need to set the image height. Okay, so by default it's 120 pixel, but if you want to change, then you can also do this. And then we also need to change the item gaps. Okay, if you want, let's say for example in this slider you can see we have some gap between each of the items. Like for the text items, for the image items, we have some gap. So by default it's 1 rem, but if you want to increase this value, then you need to adjust it here. Okay, if you want to increase the gap. And same way, for the text scrolling, if you want to change the font size, then you can do that. If you change the font color, you can also do that. And also for the font background, if you want, then you can choose from here, from the color palette, or you can put your own custom font color, background color here. Okay, so once you're done with all the settings and everything, you just need to select the domain. Okay, so here you need to make sure that the page where you are going to install these snippets and the domain you select here should be exactly same. Okay, it will not work on any other domain. So even if you are previewing your GoHighLevel page, then it will not work. Okay, so you must need to use the same domain. Okay, so let me select the domain for GHL and then I'm going to copy the code, okay, by clicking this button. Also you can see the code here, and you can copy by clicking this button. Okay, so let me open the page editor and then I will put the code here. Okay, so let me go back here, and I also already added the placeholder here, the code option, and then I'm going to paste the code. Okay, so you don't need any other changes here. Everything is inside the snippets library. Okay, like here. So once you're done, you can publish and then click the link to preview it. You can see here it's just fine. Okay, it's working. So in case you need the full slider, then always just need to go back to your page editor, and from here select the section and make the section take enter width. Okay, just toggle this button on and then publish again. Okay, let me preview it again. Yeah, here is it. So it's working just fine. So you just need to put your images or text, adjust the settings, and get the code and put it into the same domain. Okay, so this is mandatory things to select the correct domain. Okay, and also check this into the correct domain. So if you even if you click here to preview, okay, then it will also not work with the GoHighLevel page. Okay, so GoHighLevel domain. Okay, let me show you just for example. You can see here I'm here on the app.gohighlevel.com. So this is the different domain that I already set here. Okay, that's why it's not working. So you must need to set up the correct domain inside the GHL SaasKits library as well as into your GoHighLevel page. Okay, so that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed this. Have a nice day.